are you and your colleagues ready and willing to push yourself and say, we're all about really moving people? And our vision and our mission is tied in with that. So it's much more than a transit program that might say, we run buses. No, that's not what it is in rural communities. We really are moving people. We're connecting them. We're a vibrant part of that community. Our drivers are on the front line, hearing every day what we mean. If we weren't here, how isolated, cut off, or really, quite frankly, not being able to really survive as much or as well or as healthy as we do. It's because of rural transit. So we move people. That's what we are. That's the business that we're in.
It's really great, I think, to see the diversity of the people who are attending and participating, from grant recipients to social agencies to charities to transportation providers to municipalities and staff and other ministry. I mean, this is exactly the kind of diversity that we wanted when we put together the community transportation program.
A group such as this is a demonstration of the commitment that people have in communities across the province to make it better for their community members.
In terms of building community support, that became evident from the inception of the Trout. Even the name, the Rural Overland Utility Transit, was something that was developed at a grassroots level. We put out a competition to the community and said, hey, let's name our new transportation service. So the community actually named it.
Some of the stuff we did with some of the partnerships that we built up there. We started looking at the business community and started selling that business perspective of using the bus to promote shopping experiences and that kind of stuff, as well as the social service end of stuff. We cleared up a lot of the misunderstandings in a small town area. Public transportation is a new service. I went 3 years to council about every 3 months, and first question was, when will this start making us money? And for 3 years, every 3 months, I had to tell them it will not make us money. And we went over it again and again, how this social service that we promote.
I think that through the Rural Ontario Institute, we can start connections and the networking that is through this room and hopefully can continue, because the types of things that Brad mentioned are real problems that we've seen and that a number of groups have tried to overcome on the communication side. It's tough to sell the whole notion of vulnerability without and keeping that away from the issue of marginalized or specialized or the welfare bus, as you put it.
And I'm here today from MV1 Canada. The MV1 is the world's first purpose-built wheelchair accessible vehicle. Very happy to be in a room full of transportation junkies like myself. I've gone from coast to coast in this beautiful country talking to people about accessible transportation and the challenges that face different communities, small, medium, and large across Canada.
All right, so my name is Lisa Horn, and I'm the Director of Community and Social Services for Northumberland County. So I'm coming from a service manager or municipal government perspective, and we work a lot with community care in our area because they run a very successful rural transportation program and a lot of dedicated staff there.
Yeah, I noticed you're outside of the actual,